my very first video tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to understand key signatures. What do I mean by a key signature? When we refer to music being in a certain key, we are referring to the pitch that the music centers around and the set of 7 associated pitches that the music most frequently employs. As a general rule, every key uses the 7 letters A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. For each key, some of these letters will be sharp or flat, and the key signature tells you which ones are sharp or flat. For example, in the key of B minor, the notes F and C are both sharp. How can we learn the signatures for each key? I like to remember them by a circle diagram. This circle will use 12 stations since there are 12 notes that can be used as tonal centers. And there will be 7 sharp key signatures and 7 flat key signatures since there are 7 notes in each key that can be either sharp or flat. And there will also be 1 signature with 0 sharps or flats. We'll start by putting this one at the top. We'll make the sharp key signatures go around clockwise, and the flat key signatures go around counterclockwise. 5, 6, 7. Notice that there are 3 stations that overlap. That's because there are only 12 notes that can be used as tonal centers. Now, how do we know which notes are sharp or flat in each one of these keys? Well, it turns out that the sharps are always added in this order: F, C, G, D, A, E, B. So, this 1 sharp is F sharp. These 2 sharps are F sharp and C sharp. These 3 sharps are F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp, etc. The same is true for the flats, but in the opposite order. They are added in the order of B, E, A, D, G, C, F. This signature of 1 flat is B flat. These 2 flats are B flat and E flat, etc. Which keys correspond to which signatures? Each one of these will correspond to 1 major and 1 minor. We'll put the minors on the inside in lowercase to distinguish them from the majors, which we'll put on the outside in uppercase. Let's start with the very first one, which happens to be A minor. 0 sharps or flats. Notice on the piano that the distance between the first 2 keys on the circle, A and E, covers 5 notes. This is the distance of a fifth. This is where it gets easy because all of the tonal centers on the circle are a fifth apart. A up 5 notes is E. E up 5 notes is B. B up 5 notes is F. But this F has to be sharp. How do I know that? Let's look back at the distance of a fifth on the piano. Notice that A to E not only covers 5 letters, A, B, C, D, E, but it also covers 8 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For a fifth to be perfect, it has to cover both 5 letters and 8 notes. So, A to E is a fifth, E to B is a fifth, B up a fifth, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is F sharp. Could I call this G flat? Actually, that would not work. Because remember that every key has to have every letter in it. So if I already have a G sharp, I can also have a G flat. And I also have to have some kind of F. So I have to use the term F sharp. Let's keep going. F sharp up a fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. C sharp. Now that we know how to make a fifth perfect, we can fill in the rest of the circle. F sharp up a fifth is C sharp. Up a fifth is G sharp. Up a fifth is D sharp. Up a fifth is A sharp. To fill in the flat minor keys, we're going to go around the opposite direction, and therefore the fifths will be going down instead of up. A down a fifth is A, G, F, E, D. And E flat down a fifth is A flat. Now we have all the minor keys filled in. 0 sharps or flats is C major. C up a fifth is G. We're almost done. All we have left are the major flat keys. C down a fifth is F. We're finished. Let's test one of these out, and I'll show you how it works. Let's pick A flat. We know from the diagram that A flat has 4 flats, and we know from the order that the flats have to be B, E, A, D, the first 4 flats. We know that it will have to use all 7 letters, A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. We know that B flat, E flat, A flat, and D flat are all going to be used because of the key signature. The rest of the notes will all be natural. I hope this video has helped you understand key signatures. If you have any questions, please contact me because I love helping people understand music.